Hello everybody, today we're going to walk through how to change the light bulb on the headlight. You see my left side is pretty bright, right side or driver's side is really dim. So we're going to walk through that and change them out. So first thing you want to do is pop the hood. I already popped it on the inside. And if you come in, run your hand across, you can feel a little lever. Just pick that up, bring this wand up, and it goes right in that hole there, and your hood will be up. All right, so you want to replace both sides. So I'm starting on the passenger side, and then the steps are going to be the same on the driver's side. So first, if it's not pulled back already, this little white thing, pull that back, and when that's pulled all the way, it doesn't pull just straight out because there is a little clip right in here. So what I found is you just kind of pull up with that, and it pops right off. So with that out of the way, then you come in here and you give the light a twist and it pulls right out. So there's our light. So put that off to the side. Here's our new one. So we grab the new one. And one thing to look out for is that you see that red thing there? That is the old gasket. So we want to take that off, otherwise your new one's not going to pop in there. So it should look like that, nice and clean. And then you just put that in there, rotate it, it's on, pop your clip back on, push that forward, and your light's replaced. So for the driver's side, same basic steps. You pop that off, pop this off, give it a rotate, take it off. A little harder with this in there, so you'll need both hands to work on it, but same steps. So go ahead and do that. Easy repair on the Chevy Cruze. If you have any questions, comments, concerns on that, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and all that, and we will talk to you soon.